I want to design my business on the internet, but I am confused by all the different technologies that are available to choose from in the market today. To be competitive and keep up with the market trends, I need a reliable, scalable and cost-effective technology. But as per my understanding, all of this requires the skills which you might not have with one vendor. Software and hardware that you can't necessarily afford. Also, the time and staff to maintain, optimize and manage the services. We have to understand that in the e-commerce industry, business never stops. So we also need the skills for database maintenance, search engine optimization, conversion tracking, catalog browsing, reporting, historical resource management and resource billing prediction. On top of this, we require the integration of an accounting system, secure payment gateway and appropriate logistics. But hold on, that's not all. There is also social networking, m-commerce and all the upcoming trends that we will see in the near future. When all of this is up and running, sometimes the slightest update in software or increase in traffic during peak hours or flash sales time can jam up the whole operation. This can lead to your website crashing. This alone can be reason enough to be worried. I agree, but if all this can be a headache for a large corporation with lots of human power and financial backup, how can smaller e-commerce sites cope? Do you think it's mission impossible? Well, nothing to fear when we are here. The cloud, as the e-commerce industry knows it today, is based on horizontal scaling, which means as the workload increases, more virtual machines are added to spread the load. This is the traditional load balancing approach that the e-commerce industry has used for many years. The technology definitely works, but this approach of scaling requires change in your application and database architecture. Also, you are forced to pay for unutilized resources just because they have been allocated to you. Wait a moment, let me explain it in a little more detail. It's all about the size of virtual machine versus the number of virtual machines. Normally, cloud vendors provide a virtual machine with a specific configuration. As and when the demand for resources soars up, the size of the virtual machine remains the same, but the number of virtual machines increases to cater to the load. Similarly, as and when the traffic on the site goes down, the size of the virtual machine remains constant, but the number of virtual machines decreases. Customers are charged according to a pay-per-allocation model, which is also commonly known as pay-per-use, where the customer is billed for the number of virtual machines in use. With ESDS, the number of virtual machines remains constant according to the customer's requirement, and the size of the virtual machines in terms of CPU and RAM changes based on the load. ESDS has a unique pay-per-consumption billing model, where customers are charged according to what they have consumed in terms of RAM and CPU from the virtual machines allocated to them. This consumption can vary according to seasonal demands, offers, flash sales, and demography. Introducing ESDS's Enlight Cloud with patented auto-scaling technology that allows virtual machines to scale up or scale down their CPU and RAM in real time. With our transparent pay-per-consumption billing model, ESDS has been successful in transforming computing from a commodity business to a metered utility business. For disaster recovery, Enlight, with its auto-scaling technology, is the most cost-effective solution. It saves around 70% of the cost, while guaranteeing 100% uptime at infrastructure level. Enlight Cloud provides building blocks that can be assembled quickly to support virtually any workload. Adjust them as your needs change, without any upfront cost and by only paying for what you have consumed. With Enlight, you get a flexible platform with high availability, designed to build highly sophisticated and scalable applications. Enlight Cloud comes with fully managed services, and our technical experts are available round the clock for our customers to resolve any level of operating system, database administration, and network optimization issues, providing our customers with complete peace of mind to focus on their business growth. So why wait? Get set and go. For more information, please visit www.esds.co.in/enlight.